So I looked at different places online actually, and I came across Dr. Brewer, and I saw that he was a Loma Linda graduate, and his wife as well, and I guess his father was as well. And I'm a Loma Linda graduate, not in dentistry but in medicine, and so I said, okay, I'll go with them. And so I made an appointment and came here. When I first came in, I came in just for just general dental care, and I didn't realize it, but I had like a crack in one of my teeth. The procedure I've had for the last year has been to replace that cracked tooth and then get a crown and implant, I guess, whatever the term is. And it's been the process. I've been here for several visits off and on for the last year, but it's finally finished. I just got it this week, so 3 days ago, so I'm very happy. As Dr. Dean's chairside manner is very notable. I think he's very pleasant. He gets the point across as to what he's going to be doing to you, and makes me very comfortable. And he answers my questions, and professionally he has been very nice. I appreciate it. I would recommend the practice here, Brewer Family Dentistry, to any of my friends or family. Actually, I have.